Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a gold farm in Minecraft Bedrock. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first of all, of course, you're going to start by building your nether portal. And once you have it, just simply enable it and go to the nether. So first of all, you're going to like to find somewhere like this, a flat area, which will be nice because we will need some space. Now from here, all you have to do is to dig a 2x2 place where it's going to be just like that, deep enough for the zombies to go in. Now from here you can just add another one, but we're not going to fill this place with anything. This is for us. So then you're going to just fill with 4x4 for the doors, and then in the bottom you're going to place the hoppers, and then you're going to have your chests like that. And then if you want, you can just add some wool, drop it like that, just add it like that. Now once you have it just like that, you're going to then open these doors and then make sure that there are slabs on the bottom, and then you're going to just cover it just like that. Now that you have everything open, if this is just not the right orientation, just make sure that it is so that it opens fully just like that. And then here you're going to just open another hole, and this is going to be for you. And then we're going to build a small house. So you can build the house with anything, so for example cobblestone, and then from the cobblestone house you can just simply build it just like that. Alright, now we're all set. As you can see, we have our house that is connected, and all you have to do is just shoot them, and then they'll try to come attack you, and they're going to just go right there in the spawner. And so once they try, all you have to do is just go down in this ladder where you connected the house with the trap, and there they are. You can just keep killing them until drawn in the spawn right here, and you will gain all your loot in the chest. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.